And good day. Today we're having a look at this. It's an Acer KG1 28-inch 4K UHD gaming monitor. So of course we need to unpack it, so we'll get into it right now. I've sped this bit up a little bit because otherwise it's a bit on the boring side. And again, a few more things to pull apart. It's quite well packed actually. And the assembly again is very easy, just a simple little screw on the bottom there to hold the stand. Now I've got to admit the stand is a little bit wobbly, so it's not the best. Here we can see the details of the monitor. Now the monitor itself has a couple of HDMI cable inputs and a DPI. It also has a headphone set out, which is handy, and that's your power supply in. And the accessories are power supply, standard HDMI cable, also comes with a DPI cable if you need it, always handy to have a spare. Sometimes I mislay my manuals myself, and I'll actually come back to these YouTube videos I've created and have a bit of a read online. Makes it a bit easier than trying to go through God knows how many bits and pieces of paper I've got laying around in the drawers to try and find the correct manual. I'll just flip over the other side now. And again, you think just something fairly simple like a little monitor. It's a lot of reading for just something you press a couple of buttons and it works. But it's handy to know. There's always something in there that you think you know that you actually don't. This is showing video on my old HP monitor, and it gives you an idea of what the 1080p used to look like. And in a few seconds we'll switch over to the new Acer monitor, and I think you'll see the difference coming up now. I didn't bother resizing the image, so to give you an idea of what it looks like on the new 4K monitor. Hopefully you've enjoyed watching my video. Consider giving me a thumbs up, thumbs down, whichever, doesn't matter. Consider subscribing, I wouldn't say no to that. Leave a comment, I'll be happy with that. Anyway, all the very best. Hopefully I'll catch you on the next video, whatever it happens to be. All the best till then. Bye.